We saw a clay 3D printer online, which looked very powerful, just like this. But the price online is not very friendly, which discouraged us, so we decided to do it ourselves. We bought a broken printer and modeled the frame and printed its damaged parts. It took us about a month to assemble a clay printer. It can finally print things. Its performance is not bad, but we soon discovered its shortcomings. The clay needs to be pushed by an air pump, and mixing the slurry is also very troublesome. There can't be bubbles, and the printed model is wet and soft. And it can't make very complex models. So we decided to upgrade it again. We mixed dry powder with adhesive to make particles, so we don't need to use air pumps and mix mud, which simplifies the process. We use a particle 3D printer to heat and print, so the diameter of the nozzle can be very small, and it's not easy to deform, because it will quickly cool and solidify after printing. After printing the model, and put it in the kiln to burn 900 degrees, the temperature will make the binder turn into gas and evaporate. At this time, you can glaze it. The blank has good water absorption. Now I'll print a birdcage for you. Let's see the accuracy of the printer. This is the material used for 3D printing. This is what the 3D print looks like. This is the model after burning at 1200 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching.